Hello, my dear friends. I am J. Joshi Kumar from 8th B, and today's Kutty story of why is why do volcanoes erupt? Deep beneath the earth, there lived a magical fiery kingdom called Magma Land. The kingdom was full of hot, glowing rocks called magma. One little magma drop named Lava loved to play and dance, but Magma Land had a strong rocky roof called the Earth's crust. As more magma gathered, the space inside became crowded. The magma and trapped gases shouted, "We need more room, let us out." The earth crust tried to hold them, but it couldn't handle all the pressure. Suddenly, crack, boom, the magma burst through the surface, flying up as lava along with ash, rocks, and steam. People on earth looked up and said, "The volcano is erupting." Lava smiled as it flowed down the mountain. This is how we escape when pressure builds too much inside the earth. Now it's time to know scientific reason. Why do volcanoes erupt? Deep beneath the earth, heat melts rocks, forming magma. Gases like water vapor and carbon dioxide get trapped in the magma. When the pressure becomes too high, the magma forces its way through cracks in the earth's crust. Once magma reaches the surface, it is called as lava, and it flows out along with ash and gases. Thank you, dears. We will meet you again in the next day with another Kutty story of why. Stay curious and keep learning. See you soon. Bye.